Welcome to the exciting world of dropshipping, where entrepreneurship meets the digital age. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the concept of dropshipping and explore how you can establish a profitable online business that generates passive income. As the investing and financial landscape continues to evolve, traditional business models are giving way to innovative approaches like dropshipping. So, if you've ever dreamt of running a successful online store without the hassles of inventory management, supply chains, or massive upfront investments, this guide is for you. Chapter 1. The Rise of the Digital Marketplace. The rapid advancement of technology and the internet has revolutionized how we live, work, and shop. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores are no longer the primary destination for consumers. Instead, they flock to online marketplaces for their shopping needs. E-commerce giants like Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay have reshaped consumer behavior and paved the way for the rise of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that leverages this digital transformation to the fullest. It eliminates the need for physical inventory, warehousing, and shipping, making it an appealing option for aspiring entrepreneurs seeking a low-cost, low-risk way to start an online business. Chapter 2. The Mechanics of Dropshipping. Let's dig into the mechanics of dropshipping. The process involves three key players: the dropshipper, that's you, the supplier, and the customer. Here's how it works. The dropshipper. You are the mastermind behind the operation. Your role is to set up an online storefront, curate a selection of products, and market them to potential customers. The supplier. Suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business. They maintain the inventory and handle packaging and shipping directly to your customers. The customer. Customers browse your online store, place orders, and make payments. You forward the order details to the supplier, who fulfills the order and ships the product to the customer under your brand name. Chapter 3. Choosing the right niche. Success in dropshipping begins with selecting the right niche. Finding a niche involves identifying a specific segment of the market with unique needs and preferences. It's essential to strike a balance between a niche that's too broad, like electronics, and one that's too narrow, like vintage vinyl records of a particular artist. To pick the perfect niche, conduct thorough market research. Utilize online tools, forums, and social media to gather insights into trending products and consumer demands. Seek out opportunities to cater to underserved markets and explore products that align with your interests and passions. Chapter 4. Setting up your online storefront. Your online storefront serves as the face of your business, so make it a memorable one. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento to build your website. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and various integrations to enhance the overall shopping experience. When designing your store, prioritize user-friendliness and mobile responsiveness. Optimize product pages with high-quality images, engaging product descriptions, and clear calls to action. Remember, a seamless and aesthetically pleasing shopping journey encourages higher conversions. Chapter 5. Partnering with reliable suppliers. One of the most critical factors for dropshipping success is establishing strong partnerships with reliable suppliers. Your reputation relies on the supplier's ability to deliver products promptly and maintain quality standards. Research and vet potential suppliers before committing to a partnership. Look for suppliers with a proven track record, positive customer reviews, and efficient shipping processes. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu are treasure troves of reputable suppliers offering a wide range of products. Chapter 6. Mastering the Art of Marketing. In the vast digital marketplace, marketing is the heartbeat of your dropshipping business. To attract potential customers, you need to be savvy with various marketing strategies. Leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach your target audience. Engage with potential customers through informative and entertaining content. Influencer marketing is also a powerful tool to showcase your products to a wider audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another crucial aspect of dropshipping marketing. Optimize your website and product pages with relevant keywords to rank higher on search engine results. Chapter 7. Automating operations for efficiency. As your dropshipping business scales, manual processes can become overwhelming. Automation is the key to maintaining efficiency and freeing up your time for growth and strategy. Integrate automation tools to handle order processing, inventory management, and customer support. Chatbots can provide quick responses to frequently asked questions, and email automation can keep customers informed about their order's status. Chapter 8. Scaling and diversification. Congratulations, your dropshipping business is thriving. Now it's time to scale and diversify your offerings. Expand your product range to cater to different customer segments or introduce complementary products that enhance your existing lineup. Continue experimenting with marketing strategies and analyze data to refine your approach continually. Invest in advertising to increase your reach and attract new customers. Don't forget to monitor trends and stay updated on industry developments to remain competitive. Chapter 9. Managing challenges and risks. While dropshipping offers many advantages, it's not without its challenges. Some common issues include inventory fluctuations, supplier reliability, and intense competition. To mitigate these risks, maintain open communication with your suppliers and have contingency plans in place. Focus on building a strong brand identity and customer loyalty to stand out from competitors. Chapter 10. Building long-term success. Sustaining long-term success in dropshipping requires adaptability, resilience, and a customer-centric approach. Stay ahead of market trends and embrace new technologies and strategies that can enhance your business. Remember, the customer experience is paramount. Provide exceptional customer service, respond to feedback, and consistently deliver high-quality products. Building a loyal customer base will ensure your dropshipping venture continues to flourish. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to dropshipping, we hope you're feeling inspired and ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Dropshipping is an incredible opportunity to build a thriving online business, generate passive income, and be part of the ever-evolving digital marketplace. Remember to choose your niche wisely, invest time in setting up an appealing online storefront, and nurture strong relationships with reliable suppliers. As you venture into dropshipping, embrace the future of entrepreneurship with a sense of curiosity and adaptability. Continually educate yourself on industry trends and best practices, and never forget the value of providing exceptional customer experiences. Now, armed with knowledge and ambition, go forth and build your successful dropshipping empire. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the world of dropshipping. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on entrepreneurship, online business, and future financial insights. If you have any questions or want to share your dropshipping success stories, drop them in the comments below. Remember, the future is yours to create, so go out there and make it happen. Until next time, happy dropshipping, and we'll see you in the next video.